We've all had a DIY experience at our home where, because we've either thought it was a great idea to start a project or we wanted to save a little bit of money and of course had to end up calling in the pros. Please join us as today's topic is about DIY versus using a professional outfit to help you in your incentive challenge. So behind me, you see my koi pond, and I've collected koi fish and looked after them for over 25 years, and some of my fellows there are quite large. But I really enjoy the tranquility of just coming out here, feeding them in the morning, having a little bit of a quiet time and starting my day that way. I have a great supplier that we have a really good working relationship with. He knows what I want, he knows my pond, and he fixes it right first time, every time. Now, the business of driving revenue and growth in your business is not something that you want to have several attempts at getting right. We only have the next quarter, the next financial year in order to deliver results. So when it comes to using the incentive tool that helps drive business results, you want to get it right first time. I want to just highlight some of those common problems that people experience in implementing an incentive program and giving you some quick tips about it. The first problem that we come across when helping clients redevelop and reimagine an incentive program is the planning and the strategic rule structuring of a program. If you don't spend enough time in the planning phase, properly analyzing, getting various stakeholders' input, and putting that together to come up with the right execution strategy, you're going to be flawed from the start. It's like not engaging an architect to build a house. You have to have a strong set of plans that everybody analyzes, and you have professional input from finance, HR, sales and marketing. Everybody comes together to produce that design. Running an incentive program requires focus and resources. Usually they take place over a period of anywhere from 6 to 12 months. And this requires a champion, this requires a team of people to actually implement and make sure that the results are being well communicated, managed, and that the community is being inspired to achieve those results. Many people in business are wearing, at the moment, more than one hat. And the focus of employed people within our client base is on the main business. So if you're selling cars, their focus is on selling cars, not running incentive programs. So that is another area where programs fall flat because people just don't have the time to focus on it. From the day you launch a campaign to the day winners achieve their results is absolutely essential. The fourth and final point of this breakfast show that I want to share, which is a real learning to onboard, is that today there's not enough use of digital tools. There are tools now available. We have our own bespoke tool, but use of digital, critical in getting greater results from your incentive program. I hope that you've learned something about that, that you can implement a little bit differently to get better results in your program. So thanks for listening. Thanks for joining us. Go and have a look at our YouTube channel, Facebook or LinkedIn profiles. We'd love you to follow us, and we'd in turn like to get to know you. So reach out, and anytime we can help, we'll be there to help you and your people win.